Hi, I'm Hanson, your Fram expert. In this video, we are going to show you how to replace a cabin air filter so you can breathe easy. Your vehicle uses outside air to regulate the internal temperature by filtering the air through the car's heating and cooling system. The air which you and your passengers breathe often contains pollutants such as dirt, dust and other particles, which can introduce allergens and odors into your car. Cabin air filters prevent this by cleaning the air you breathe inside your vehicle. Properly maintaining your cabin air filter is important for keeping those contaminants out, to ensure the air you breathe is fresh and clean. There are various places a cabin air filter could be located, depending on the vehicle. Common spots include the bonnet, the engine compartment area under the window cowl on the passenger side, inside the cubby compartment, in the center console, or on the driver's side. In this Mazda, our cabin air filter is located in the cubby. Once located, fitting is easy. Remove the old cabin air filter from its housing. Let's replace it. Grab your new Fram cabin air filter and place it into the housing correctly. Close up the housing and you are done. Remember, failure to maintain your cabin air filter can result in loss of aircon performance. A dirty filter wears out the air conditioning system, creating a higher airflow resistance, and the blower must therefore work much harder. This process will eventually reduce the heating and air conditioning performance. Another benefit of fitting Fram Fresh Breeze is it prevents windscreens from misting up. At Fram, we recommend replacing your cabin air filter every 15,000 kilometers or once a year. Fram Fresh Breeze cabin filters capture up to 98% of dust, pollen and other contaminants and helps protect heating and air conditioning units. We have an extensive range of carbon-activated and particle cabin air filters for various makes and models. Choose your filter wisely. For best results, fit quality you can trust, fit Fram. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and expert advice. Also, check out our Facebook page for filter news, tips and exciting competitions.